Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine chiropractor. I'm going to talk to you about how to optimize your laptop so you don't hurt yourself. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let's talk about laptop, iPads, things that are not actually a desktop, short of your phone. One thing that you need to keep in mind, and a lot of people are now using double screens, triple screens, and then their laptop. Well, the point here is if your laptop is down here while you're looking at a screen like I'm looking at this camera here, well, there is a problem because if you're looking down, wherever your eyes goes, your neck goes, and if you do that long enough time, it's gonna do so much damage. It's just horrible. You end up with headaches. You can actually, believe it or not, end up with pain going down your arms, tension across the back. I mean, it's just not a fun thing. So what you want to do, like it or not, you prop up your laptop and get a Bluetooth mouse and a keyboard. So your arms aren't up here while you're looking at a screen like I'm looking at you here. While you're typing, this is going to do quite a bit of damage. So you want to bring, in other words, make your laptop become a desktop. So if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I can't do it, well, pretend your life depends on it, because it really is a huge factor causing a lot of issues that is so easily avoidable. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy this video and you learned something. And if you like, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get to see more videos that are all intended to prevent issues related to health and to really help you with education so you can take control of what's going on. And obviously, I'm here to answer any questions you have if you've already watched the videos and you still need a little extra help. Anyway, I had a blast, and you guys take care.